How to add Gmail to Outlook. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this Outlook tutorial or in this Gmail tutorial, you learn how you can add your Gmail to your Outlook account. And how do you do that? The first step is for you to head over to your Play Store or to your App Store and then launch your application and then search for the Outlook application. And once you found it, click on it and then install it. So once you've downloaded and you've installed the Outlook application, you can now be able to add it. But first of all, wait for it to be fully downloaded and installed. Once that's been installed, click on open and wait for the application to load. All right. So once that's loaded, the next step for you, in order for you to add your Gmail, just go ahead and click on add account. And you can see the option add Google account. So select that. By clicking on add Google account, you'll be taken to the next stage. So your Google account will be automatically displayed. And the next step would be for you to select the Gmail that you want to add to your Outlook. So by selecting the Gmail, you would wait for the page to load. Once it is done loading, you can see sign in to Microsoft. Click continue and you would see a write-up. Read through it. Click on continue by the bottom right side of the screen and your account will be authenticated. After authentication is done, your Google account or your Gmail will be added automatically to your Outlook. Then you can go ahead to add as many accounts as you want to. So that is how it works. Okay, you can see that my Gmail is already added to my Outlook. As easy as that. So thank you for watching and ensure you try this out.